How to enable app updates only on Wi-Fi. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable app updates only over Wi-Fi. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do is locate your Google Play Store. Then open it up. After you've opened up your Google Play Store, tap on the profile icon on the top right. After you're there, you'll need to locate the settings. So search for setting and then open it up. On the settings, you'll find multiple options. You'll need to tap on the network preferences option and expand. There you will see auto update apps option. Tap on it. And after you're there, you'll find multiple options where you can update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data, or with limited amount of mobile data only over Wi-Fi, and don't auto update apps. You'll need to select this update over Wi-Fi only. Do that, and now your updates will only occur when you're connected to a Wi-Fi. This will help you save your data, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. If you found today's video helpful, leave a like down below, and if you're new to our channel, just don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.